back to my channel.
Okay.
My name is Anika. And today we're going to be doing the No Mirror Challenge. This is my friend Abigail.
Hi.
She's new to the channel, so don't be hard on her, okay? She don't know what to do.
That's right. So let's get straight into
That video.
the video.
Anyways, as I was saying, the key to doing the makeup without a mirror is knowing exactly where your stuff it is. So,
We don't have the word here. Just saying.
perfection take time.
Alright. Then we'll see what you're gonna look like, yeah?
Like a beauty queen.
Alright. Don't be too hype now. Stop looking. Why are you following me?
Sorry.
Don't follow me, my girl.
That's all. I would never dream of it.
Don't follow me. Alright, good.
Let's really look at this.
Oh, wow. Could it ever feel right in?
Talk to.
Right in the not going too much, you know, because I can't see.
Go back home like pencil pen and my
Let me see. Alright.
You know good?
Not that. Time to conceal those brows. I don't want cool time, I want fun.
You have to blend.
Blend, Abby. Blend away.
That's what I'm
So
doing.
time to conceal my bougies. Stop now.
Look at me never. I can't the piece of the new one anymore.
Look at that.
You're a good girl.
Tell me if me I do it right.
You did wonderful. You did good for you. Why don't you believe me? Never lie to you?
Yeah. Alright. Good.
You don't stop laughing.
Alright, we're not.
The top part of the other part.
Boom! See that? Show me! See that? Stop now! I'm gonna play out my zoom, yeah? Because, yeah, go like seminar zoom.
Yeah, it's zoom, man. It's zoom. You're wonderfully zoomed. Alright. What's your birthday?
Let's see.
In both, see.
Alright, next one for zoom.
You want the zoom?
Well, zoom.
Well, it's mine.
Fully zoom.
Fully zoom.
You say zoom.
Stop it.
Zoom.
I'm blend it out now. You see, now look cheating her.
What was for cheating on?
How much bird is it?
Alright, so eyebrows on fleek. Eyebrows are done. I'll give it a nice little, you know,
Then blend out my own.
already blended.
Blend it.
Fully.
Okay.
So time for the shadows. How do the palette them?
You take them off?
What do you
You
say?
know, put it down here.
Well, I this alone.
Yeah, so you brush them. Brush my eyebrow down.
See them?
My eyebrow fine with mine.
I don't know if you have one of things like right.
Which I can't. Me can consider it too. Hold on. I should have go bad. Feel it.
How can I do this?
I'm missing this one.
I'll close my eye and I feel it.
Look at me.
Man, I tell you from the fire, you're supposed to know. Oh, me, I go. Tell me, I'm going to tell you.
Yeah, go on.
Wonderful.
You're too late. Then I call that wonderful the sound.
Alright, so.
Do a smoky eye.
What? I'm going to go with that little green. Green, may I use?
Yeah, green.
No, I'm not use green. I use some for match my top. I'm going to look black and here. So, she. So, there it looks.
No, I think we can go up on the road like this.
When it done, me confirm that.
Jeez, that's a toxic. Okay, so my shirt
A toxic like
can.
Gotta go apologize. I do a cut crease. I do a cut crease.
Yeah, cut your crease.
My crease can't cut. I'm going something a little darker on the outside. Use it. You can't follow so.
And same color me just use, don't do that.
But Tracy, me I use the burgundy, you want to use burgundy. Should have enough.
Yeah, brush on the edge of my dark color. Stop it.
She just a follow. We're not doing an eyelash, you know, guys. Don't have no eyelash.
Get out the mirror in there.
Oh, I never see it a while ago. Alright, when I use it.
Don't use that.
So where you carried for then?
I never remember saying we were in there. I'm sorry. Which color? The dark color.
So I'm going to use sheet. I'm going to use my finger. I'm going to leave this. Nothing up on my lid though.
Can't tell you.
Can't follow you know.
We do a. And the same color?
Could you use a brush? Oh, Abby, why you look at me for? Stop watching my girl. Do I don't stop watching?
I should look nice.
Eh? You know, Abby, why you look good? Abby, I did it.
I should look nice.
But no. But no, I look good. I did it.
No, I should look nice. You try to see your face.
Where?
The rest of your face.
Bros? But bros, I'm going to do already, so.
You look like the rest of your face.
But I should look like the rest of my face?
The eyebrow. Look like you one of your face, no. Look shitty.
But I understand, yeah.
I'm gonna say eyebrow look shitty.
Don't worry yourself. Don't worry. Don't worry yourself, yeah? You send me down my look, you want to see my eyebrow. Wait till me though.
Yeah,
You have to use liner, you know.
You know, I'm say if you don't use your liner.
Yeah, you have to use liner. You have to have the wing too. I just. Why you never get the next one?
I don't know. I like feet.
I like this shit. You want to do it first?
No, me watch it. See bright.
Alright, so. Windows coming, so. I'm not sure about the next side, you know. Don't sure about the next side. That's I've been too long. I feel thicker than the first one. I have a little cheek. Come here, time. Moisturize and prime.
Bye.
Must know where you're at.
You already have set me up, but can't do this.
I just did it. What do you go? Brave now. Charles need it on my face. Go on.
Yeah,
Yes,
laugh.
I'm not laugh.
You don't like the laughing.
Manala. Seriously. Lovely. You have to highlight and contour, you know. Just one step away and this and another share. Everything else up and down. What? Oh, look at that girl. Put on your foundation, no?
Man, you rush me up. Peer pressure is not good.
It's too much about peer pressure, yeah?
Never prime. Hold on, is that?
Nothing in there? Eh? Nothing in there?
You had nothing in there.
Tell you use that one here.
Make go white. You just have to remember
It not go white. It dark panty.
But tea and white.
That's the whole point.
It not go white for me. You can get it out there.
That's the point.
Give me Fenty, make me white and down.
Alright.
So then a dark panty and two.
What?
Fenty.
Yeah. But that one there, I don't know. So. Let's pop our face and wake up.
Wake up. So anyways, them can book me for the makeup, so you know.
Anybody
Very
that want a clone look?
very
look
ti-
at
very-
her. Oh man, took up me a while ago.
When you got something good about myself,
Eh?
you just block myself.
And by your neck. I forget the neck, you know. I mean, you're pretty enough. Girl, you're pretty.
Yeah, hypocrite.
You're pretty. People, look at her. She not pretty.
Yeah, hypocrite.
Nice to nice.
Yeah, hypocrite.
Her face
I don't want-
flawless.
I don't want a friend like you.
Yeah, tell her the truth. Oh, can I like him to go? Come, I like that for me. Hold on there. Something that's interesting, I like for. Over here, I feel like over here, I don't have my product.
See me, man, you remember the makeup on?
Alright, I just feel better now. Bombonics.
Oh,
I know enough.
Mm-mm. Not that done.
Hey, put it in again.
No? Yeah. Max style. I just feel like the island of the album I can open my eye and I couldn't look back.
I don't know.
It's a function that smell like alcohol.
Like what?
Like it cold. Like it will kill me. Stop watching me now, girl.
No,
No,
I
you keep my
don't.
style.
No, I style at all.
You too light look good.
No, it's any. So let's say flawless.
So I know one of my style if you look good.
Come alright with my style. I wanna work for me.
So mine not work for me?
Yeah, it work for you, but it might not work for me. So me alright with me.
Yeah, hypocrite.
I'm trying to. Oh, me a hypocrite.
Yeah, hypocrite. Yeah, big hypocrite.
Set her up now.
You see what I'm You can sit nice. Like man, you know?
Don't flawless. Nah, it's
Nice.
nice. Guys, me don't know how the lighting I look on this, but if the sun come out, hush.
It's like dust milk over here.
So why you a wipe so? But I understand.
They've done everything together. What is the problem?
Alright. Jesus. Some contour now. Could be a contour. Contour my nice face. Yes. Like so.
I think this is going well.
Wonderful.
Splendificent. Bruh.
How am I doing?
You don't want too much look at your black so you can't bake it with toast.
Good day, Dusty.
If you set the road face, man.
for blushing. It's a few Sheena.
You're right.
Sheena is.
You see, you try to set me up, but it's alright.
What me I set you up?
Yeah, set me up.
Oh, this type of this is.
I'm blushing on my hood.
I'm afraid. Afraid of that one, yeah. She look good though, watch it.
Highlight. Look good, man.
I know. Very nice.
Oh, nice. Nice. Blush. So we can be blushing.
Can't really see nothing, I want too much. Put some on my nose. Tiring. Mascara, Sheena.
You know? It's not one too bad.
Yeah, put your butter machine.
But I'm not sure.
Mascara.
Yeah, stress me. I'll be pouring up my face like really. Then you? Feel like everything I'm gonna be like.
Let me see you.
No, look bad though.
I feel like I need to put on glass.
I love makeup last minute, right? You look clumsy. I love makeup last minute when so. You can't tell me to do my makeup look.
She done. Can you pull up here? Pull up here and put on the or something. Pull up the twist, the plait. Yeah? And come up and then. Girl. You not ready?
Wait now.
We're man done, man. Why you put on so long? Come look.
Beautiful.
Catch my shadows. Why you do that for use your hand?
I'm a God-given
We do everything though. Yeah. Nice for nice. No mirror. I'm a face nice so. Come on though. She come out and go like that. Ready?
yeah.
Ready to see now?
Yeah.
Show them people your face. Close the eye. Yeah. Alright, show them that side there. And that side there. Nice though. Look on me. On that side there. We're nice.
Nothing. I can't.
Try my best not to look.
You can look at you see my face already. Oh, you don't want to see yourself? Just spin it around. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Voila.
We can
Can't
still see.
see.
Yes.
Wait, where mirror? Me have to use the mirror. Use the mirror.
Can't see.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, girl. Watch my eyes.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
But on the tree bad, you know. On the talk truth, people. But don't the tree bad. I just highlight for my nose and the concealer on my eyebrow and that wing, yeah.
See the way.
Me, down the tree bad. Me, I like a trunk door. No, but yes, oh, yes, I tried.
Wait.
Alright. Oh, what is a dry? Look there. No product there, so.
Go get your finger, bro.
Yeah, there's little bun. Yeah, I should have helped her. Now, but for me, talk truth. But don't bother. Look there. Look there. Nice and nice. Can the ear when somebody ear get look so. No, for true. I'm not bad. Yeah, go with yourself. Turn around and see a good.
That's it. Nothing to blend out on my face. Nothing.
My face blend. My face blend out. Look there. I'm a contour there. Look there.
I can't. I have
Just
nothing
see
to say.
yourself.
Nothing to say.
One blend out.
Nothing to say. Speechless.
But how much? The challenge done now. You know, if you're looking at the mirror and fix nothing, you know. You don't lose. I say that go win. You're full of confidence and you lose. And you lose.